Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Azure with Pratik. So today we are going to learn how to provision Azure SQL database on the Azure cloud. So before that I will give you a short introduction. So what is Azure SQL database is? So Azure SQL database is a relational database service in the cloud with mission critical capability. So Azure SQL database they having just some features. So we'll check. The first is it is fully managed. Yeah, so it is a fully managed SQL database on the cloud, so where you don't have to take care about all infrastructure, security, backup, all kind of things. Then second one is it is predictable performance and pricing. Yeah, so it is suitable for pricing, so you can it give a good performance. Third one is it is elastic pool or unpredictable workloads. Okay. So elastic pool is nothing but it is a group of databases, so we can install on the Azure SQL where we don't have to uh, require to install like provision like a single database, and we can share the resources. After that there is a 99.99% availability. Okay, so there is availability of zones like availability of your data of 99%. There is a fault tolerance mechanism is working, and after that there is a geo replication services. Yeah, so SQL database is working on geo replication services like LRS, then ZRS, GRS. So it is a zone redundancy storage. Like if your database is somehow it will destroy like via natural calamity or network configuration. It will fetch from the this geo replication services like when you defined while creating. After that there is a scalability with no downtime. Yeah, so SQL database also is scalable, so you can use DTUs to scale up your SQL database and scale down. After that there is a support of existing SQL databases. Yes, so you can configure your existing SQL on-premises database, so you can migrate to Azure SQL database also. So these are the features. So now we are going to provision on Google Cloud. Okay. So this is Azure portal. So we have to click on SQL databases. Okay. So then we have to create. Here you can check there is a server is already created. So I'm going to create a database. Okay. So here are you have to give the subscription details, resource group, then database name. So I'll give the SQL DB. Yeah. Then you have to choose a server. So the server is already created. Then there is option you want to use this elastic pool or not. So I'm check no. So there is workload environment, so I'm keeping the development. Okay, before that there is a one important option, so you have to select like computer storage. So how much power you want to give to Azure SQL database. So so you have to select here the service computer here. So there is a lot of kind of service tier, so you can use by your requirement. So there is a vCore, general purpose, database based in basic workload, standard, budget friendly. So you can see here in general purpose there is a cost per GB is 9 and maximum storage in GB into 14. So it will work around like if you select maximum, so we will charge the maximum amount. Okay, so our demo is a small level purpose, so I'm selecting the basic for less demanding workloads. So I'm going to apply. Okay, after that there is a backup storage redundancy, so I'm selecting locally redundant storage. So after that networking, then I'm selecting on security, then next. So there is a data source. If you want to use any kind of backup data, then you have to import the sample data. So I'm going to import the sample data, so I'm selecting sample. Okay, selecting this sample will modify the complete storage settings, configuring basics for backup upload. Okay, so I'm going to next. Next. Okay, so here you can see the estimated cost of month 384 rupees. Okay, because our review is less, so I'm going to create. So resources are deploying. Please note down the SQL server name or what kind of details you provided, so it will easy to understand to remember. Okay, so our resources are deployed, so we are going to directly to resource. Okay, here you can see there is a overview option, the resource group, server name, elastic pool is no, subscription, kind of things. Then the left side you can see the settings, compute storage, connection strings, data management, integrations, power platform. Okay, so I'm going to use query editor to use a SQL database. So query editor is a environment where you can edit the queries like SQL Server. So I'm going to give a password. Okay, so we are logging into query editor window. Here you can see there is a tables, views, stock procedures. Okay, so there is a sample tables. So I have imported it. So I'm going to query one, select from customer. Okay. Okay, so this is query is executed. Here you can find the customer ID, name, style. So in this table there is a, you can see there is customer details are fetched. Okay, so this is how we can provision the SQL Azure SQL database. So guys, if you like the video, you can share, subscribe and like.